It's gonna be a birdhouse.
It's gonna be a birdhouse. Hi, I'm Chris Donnelly, a builder by trade, and today my kids and I are going to show you how to build a birdhouse. I've done a bit of research and I've figured out the shape and design I want. Like all builders, I've got some great wood waiting to be used in my shed, so we're making our bird feeder out of this redwood. I'm prepping these boards myself, but you can get your wood pre-finished. Go for a 200 by 25mm dressed timber. If you don't have a table saw like me, you can ask to get them pre-cut. I've cut a front and a back 250 by 180 wide, a roof with a beveled edge 180 by 140 wide, and I'm doing a beveled edge on the sides as well, which are 180 by 140 wide. Then my base is 200 by 200. And there's also a little piece for the birds to perch on. For our doorway, I'm drilling a 65mm hole. When all your pieces are ready, put them together with good old nails and glue. We're going to hammer nails and we're also going to shoot them with a gun.
Hammer!
I've got a trick for gluing beveled edges together. Once the glue dries, we're ready to oil it. We want a natural look for our birdhouse, so we're using a Resene furniture and decking oil. Job done. It's looking good.
You're tying it on tight, Griff. Good job.
But our toughest critics will be the birds.